Local news for Tuesday, the 15th of September. The New Zealand Dairy Industry Awards review has been completed. After being announced as 2020 Share Farmers of the Year, it was revealed that Nick Bertram had published tweets in 2017 that were contrary to the standards expected by the New Zealand Dairy Industry Awards Trust, and he was stripped of the award. Susan Hughes, QC, who conducted the review, said it is clear to all that I have interviewed that they are passionate about the dairy industry and warned of the dangers of social media. Sustainable Wairarapa is looking for volunteers to help with the lizard surveying at the Ponatahi Lizard Sanctuary. Volunteers will help with things such as installing tracking tunnels, traps, and will need a reasonable level of fitness. Anyone keen can register by contacting Ray Stewart of Sustainable Wairarapa by emailing ray@bagend.nz. And in sport, the Wairarapa United men scored an impressive 1-0 win over Miramar Rangers at the weekend, and the women had a 2-1 win over Petone, and last night progressed to the Kelly Cup final with a 1-0 win. Well done. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.